Hey everyone, let's do glittery eyes together. Taking this Maybelline concealer in the shade Sand and applying all over the lid and crease to provide a smooth and light base for eyeshadow colors to pop. Next, taking some loose powder from K by Katrina in the shade Vanilla. Dusting off the excess powder and applying all over the lid and crease to set the concealer in its place. Now let's adore this beautiful palette by Suroskie Beauty. This is their 35 colors Glam palette. Link to buy this palette will be in the description box. Taking this color called Deep Ocean and picking some product by the fingers directly. This is having a cream consistency. Look how pigmented this is. Pick the product again and apply up till you are happy with the payoff on the lid. Take a blending brush and pick this brown transition color, tap off the excess and start defining your crease in windshield wiper motion. Take your sweet time in blending. Please remember, blending is the key. Taking this glitter glue by PAC, we just need a dot of it. Pick some product on the finger and apply evenly on the lid. The more you apply above the lid, the bigger will your eye look after glitter application. This beautiful glitter by PAC in the shade 16 Mermaid. Pick some on the finger and apply on the areas where you applied the glue. Again, blend and then adore. Now taking my holy grail mascara from Maybelline. This is their Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Applying first coat of it and then turning the wand to uplifted side and applying second coat generously. Taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Black and tight lining my lash line. Applying a good amount on the waterline as well. Take the same brown color which we took for the transition and smudge the lower lash line with it. Off camera, I have applied fake lashes to give that extra glam to the eyes. Since we used glitters, fallouts are totally expected. Take a wet wipe and clear your under eyes. Take your face moisturizer again and prep your under eyes with a little bit of massage. Now taking a darker color foundation as a color corrector. I am taking L'Oreal Paris Infallible 32 Hour Wear Foundation in the shade 330 and applying it under the eyes to provide some color as a corrector. Taking this Etude House Brow Pencil in the shade Black and filling the gaps in the eyebrows. I don't do much to my brows as they are already defined and pretty thick. Next, taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 118 and mixing it with Nykaa's liquid highlighter in the shade Glazed Bronze, applying it on the face evenly. On the nose, forehead and don't forget the neck. Take the foundation brush and start blending. Blend till the foundation is perfectly smooth on the skin. Take a damp beauty blender and bounce on the skin to remove the brush strokes if any. Now, whatever darker color foundation is remaining, use that to contour or bronze your face. Apply few dots of the product a little above the cheekbone area and blend with the brush in upward direction. Put some product on the sides of forehead and blend to define it ever so slightly. Now taking this Maybelline concealer in Sand, digging out some product on the back of the hand and applying it under the eyes to brighten it up. I am just blending it with my fingers only in tapping motion. Taking the blender again to blend out any under eye creasing. Taking this Swiss Beauty setting spray. Spraying 2-3 pumps on the back of my hand, picking some product by the finger and gently tapping under the eyes to set the concealer. K by Katrina's blush in the shade Sweetheart Pink. Little goes a long way with this. Warming it up and applying few dots on the cheeks and forehead in C shape. A blush brush and start blending. Some on the side and tip of the nose as well. Check the pigmentation. Obviously, I love blushes, so I'll apply more. Digging out some liquid highlighter and applying on the high points of the face. Giving a fangirl moment to the highlighter. Little bit on the tip of the nose and sides of the nose to puff. Blending it a very last time to melt everything together. Taking Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Bobby Brown and lining the lips. Overlining a little tad bit from the Cupid's bow area. Fill the lips with the same lip liner to provide longevity to the lipstick. Taking this amazing matte lipstick by PAC in the shade 40 Adore and providing the color to the lips by this perfect doe foot applicator. Dab 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 to set the lipstick. This is the final look. Hope you all like it. I'll see you next time.